Hi, this is Nanda Dave, Director of the Mentors, serving corporate with behavioral change and managerial effectiveness training, assessments and profiling solutions, plus consulting in strategic HR areas. Today I am sharing a short story that talks about the need for emotional stability in personal as well as professional life. The title of the story is Maybe. There lived a farmer in a village along with his son. They had a huge piece of land. They enjoyed working with bullocks in the farm and horse riding while going for shopping in the nearby town. They took good care of their animals. Their farm was just adjacent to a jungle. They could get herbs and wood effortlessly from this jungle. The villagers used to say, "You are very lucky. You are blessed." The farmer used to return back the compliments with a smile and maybe. One day, while out for hunting with a troop, Prince's horse was lost. The horse could find this farm near the jungle, so he entered the farm, moved around, ate green grass and the ready crop. The ready for crop of the farm was devastated. The farmer's son was very angry to see this. He started beating the horse. Then he made him his prisoner and tied the horse to a large shady tree. King's soldiers went in all directions to know the whereabouts of the prince's horse. They found him in the farm, badly beaten and tied up. They took charge of the horse and caught hold of the young boy, took him to the king. The king ordered indefinite imprisonment for the boy. The villagers said, "You are very unlucky." The farmer replied with a smile, "Maybe." In the meantime, the horse fell sick. The veterinary doctor could not trace the reason. The boy learnt about it and requested to meet the veterinary doctor. He said what a horse had eaten in his farm. The doctor understood the cause. The horse was treated accordingly. He was well in a day's time. The king was very happy. He released the boy, offered him many gifts. The prince became this boy's friend. He was sent back home. The villagers said, "You are very lucky." The farmer replied with a smile, "Maybe." Once the prince and this boy decided to go for hunting together. On the way, the boy fell down and had an irreparable injury. He was declared handicapped. The villagers said, "You are very unlucky." The farmer replied with a smile, "Maybe." After some time, neighboring king declared war. The king of this province was ill prepared. He declared that all the healthy men from the age of 18 to 55 should join the army immediately. The farmer was saved because he was at the age of 65 and his son was handicapped. Many villagers envied them, but that was useless. The villagers said, "You are very lucky." The farmer replied with a smile, "Maybe." Our life continues like this. Good events, bad events, happy events, hurting events. Yet all of them pass. Emotional stability is a trait that can be developed with practice and consistency. We really don't have control over what happens to us, but we can surely choose to respond differently. If our emotional stability is dependent on what others will do or not do, then we are really not stable. We are always in charge of how we want to feel. Do not allow yourself to be in charge of anyone else. Do not hand over your remote control to anyone else. Hope you liked today's episode. Please share your feedback on 9824509399 or drop a WhatsApp on this number. Please share this episode with your friends and colleagues and let them also enjoy the same. Best wishes. Thank you.